Here's how to use Pika Labs image to video. Open Discord, then click on the Pika Labs server. After that, select one of the generate channels to create your video. Alternatively, message the Pika Labs chatbot if you prefer to create videos in private. If you don't know how to generate videos privately using Pika Labs, check out my tutorial, link in the video description. To generate your video, click in the message field. Press the slash and select animate. Then click on +1 more and select prompt. You can either drag and drop the image to upload it on Pika Labs or click on this box to select the image from your computer. In this tutorial, I'll drag and drop the image here. Next, write your prompt, providing a description of the video you want to create. My prompt is, woman looking directly at the camera, wind moving hair, and I add the parameters zoom in, GS 19 FPS 24. Then press enter to create the video. In a short span of time, your video will be generated. That's it. You've successfully created a video using an image in Pika Labs. To watch the video, click on the play icon. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. For more helpful Pika Labs tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Pika Labs tutorials.